Tamlan National High School do hereby solemnly pledge never to bring disgrace and dishonor to our beloved alma mater through any act of criminality, dishonesty, or cowardice. We will uphold at all times, individually and as a group, the principles and ideals of our school and respect and obey the laws of our native land. We will do our best to promote the human dignity in ourselves and in others, and strive unceasingly for excellence in whatever we do, in order that by so doing, we achieve greater pride, honor, and glory for ourselves and for our alma mater. So help us God.
Thank you, Japhet. This